Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Why am I walking into a giant empty box truck? Well, I'm gonna let you know. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I'm in a giant box truck, and the reason why is I'm taking my trip down to the bulk.com warehouse. I'm gonna be, when this video goes out, I will already be down there, and so watch today at 12:30. You're gonna see me do a live feed Q&A right from the bulk warehouse with the bulk workers themselves and you know, kind of the people that we talk to, so you can ask all those questions. So be ready at 12:30 Central Standard Time today, and I'll be putting out a live video. Also, I will be filling this truck with 12 pallets that I'm going to be showing to you guys, and all of the footage from inside the warehouse is what's going to be also on these videos upcoming. So after today, you're going to see tons of new footage on tons of new pallets and all of the warehouse footage. So I'm super excited. So stay tuned to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notifications, hit that little bell so you know anytime new stuff is coming out. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.